guys, it's a bright sunny morning and it's a weekend. So happy weekend to you all. What are your weekend plans? Do tell me, I would love to know them. Well, I'm going to stay back at home, work on my blogs that I'm writing for you guys. So do check it out. Link my description box mein mention kar dungi. So yeah, today's video is about a very common issue that most of us face during winter time. Yes, that's dandruff. So how to get rid of dandruff from the very first wash. Before that, did you subscribe to my channel yet? If not, go subscribe now and share it with your family and friends as much as you can. So yeah, let's get started. So winters में जैसे हमारे पूरे बॉडी की स्किन ड्राई हो जाती है, similarly हमारा scalp भी ड्राई हो जाता है, which leads to dandruff that settles on our scalp, and that becomes very irritating, very itchy, and sometimes embarrassing too. So the major concern that most of us face during that time is how to get rid of these dandruffs, and then we start investing in variety of shampoos. We go to Salon to get rid of these monsters, but कहीं भी हमें long lasting result नहीं मिलता. Obviously you have that option to try out, but before going for anything, why don't you try one secret mantra that I'm going to share with you all, जो कि मेरी sister ने मुझे share किया था, because I was the person who used to have lots and lots of dandruff few years back. But when I started doing this remedy regularly, religiously, and without any fail, trust me guys, आज की डेट में मुझे बिल्कुल भी डैंड्रफ नहीं होता. आई एम शूटिंग विद माई फोन कैमरा, अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव zoomed and showed you guys. So this is what I call a long lasting result of any remedy that you are doing. For treating dandruff, all you need is a lemon. Squeeze it out in a bowl and take out the juice out of it. I am taking one entire lemon. You can take as per your requirement. Here we go. Now we cannot apply this lemon juice directly onto our scalp because it has some citric acid. So I'll be adding some water to it. Mix it really well and take out all the seeds. Our lemon juice is ready to use, and you can apply this with the help of a cotton pad. Now you can also mix this with any oil of your choice, but what I feel that it gives concentrated result with water. Apply this lemon juice with a cotton pad. For that you need to take out your hair section and apply it onto your scalp like this. Cover your entire scalp. After applying lemon juice, massage your scalp very gently. Keep it for 10 minutes and then wash it off with your favorite shampoo. Make sure you do not apply the lemon juice on your hair strands. You just have to apply it onto your scalp and you're good to go. So if you're also facing the similar issue, इस remedy को इस weekend ज़रूर try करिए and share your results with me in the comment section. If you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and press the bell icon, and share guys. Share this video with your friends too. Till then, stay tuned.